Bye-bye. Touch. Good boy. Sit. Down. Good boy. Such a good boy. Good boy. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more juicy vlogs. Woo! I know it's been a minute, been slacking, but it's okay. We're here today to bring you guys back to another video. Yeah, and I know you guys are saying I look a bit different. I have a little bit of explaining to do. That's gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a life experience explanation, but in today's video it'll be about something I've been planning. I'll be setting up my, I guess, obsessed garage plus pressure washer setup. What makes it so different about my setup is that I went a different route on the shelving system. Instead of the short 18 inches, I went ahead and did a 36. Let's go ahead and get started, baby. Woo! So overall, all of the system is going to be right here. Shelving is going to be here, the pressure washer here, and some flat wall panel here. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. There's a lot of planning into this, a lot of time and effort. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go! I'm actually more excited for this part here in this box because it's all custom made. Waited for like 3 weeks for this guy to come in. Wow! God damn. All of the brackets here. Woo! Holy snap! Check this guy out. Wow, look at that. Even the brackets is like all custom made. So I'll be stripping down the Karcher 1700 cube just to get it more slim for my setup. So here we go. So we're gonna mainly take off the front plate, the soap dispenser. Tools, you'll be needing your basic screwdrivers. You're gonna be unscrewing screws here. There's a couple more front. You would just get a car interior popping panel thingy. Your screws actually. These screw here, skinnier screwdriver. You would just squeeze this guy, and then you would just stick this guy here in the slot. Then you'll hear it pop out. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna stick in your interior tool popper right in this slot here. Just push it in until it pops out right here. Take the front panel out. I'm not gonna be using this guy, so take the soap dispenser. You gotta be using a plier. Undo this bad boy. Check it out. Boom! So the first thing that I want to do is mount the shelf on the wall. We got this lovely stainless steel shelf from Stainless Steel Supplies. I'll link everything in the description box. So right now I'm just going to wipe it down. So I'll be just using soap and water. Now that it's all clean, let's go ahead and mount this bad boy. So I set it in the height of the shelf to be 6'4" because I'm a short Asian guy. Of course, you can always mount your shelf on any height you want. Yeah, actually we're gonna do 5'4". Yeah, because I'm an Asian guy. We got these stud buddies. If you guys don't have it, highly recommend it. Just gonna look for a stud here. Basically, it's a magnet, so it's gonna be looking for the screw nails right there, and obviously at the corner. Gonna use a level so you can mark the studs. Another cool tool is this actually stud finder. That should be a stud line. Crossing our fingers. So we have all the marking. Now we gotta drill those holes, baby. Woo! Alright, gotta make some keyhole. I'm gonna mark up more keyholes here. So now I'm gonna drill the keyholes. So now we get the extra screw. Number 8 screw. So I'm just gonna install it. Simple as putting it into the big hole, pushing it down. So easy as that. Now we're just gonna tighten it down. Alright, let's go ahead and mount the other bracket. Okay, let's go drill. Put on the shelf. Hopefully this fits. Oh, look at that! But the true test is it level though. Holy camole! Level. Bam! Next item on the list is this awesome Coxreel mount for Obsessed Garage. Look at this thing. This is a stainless steel plate that mounts it with your Coxreel mount with 16-inch on center stud application. So highly recommend this guy. Got these fasteners here. Again, same procedure, marking up your stud walls. So mounting it here. Now we're gonna be making pilot holes. Look at that. Oh, all stainless. So next on the list is to mount this bad boy, the Coxreel mount. Looks so good. So this is why I highly recommend getting the mount, so you can easily mount it here. So, look at that, looking good already. There's the mount right here. You guys gotta remember, these guys are gonna hold water and that hose too, so you guys gotta tighten it down. Alright, let's go ahead and install the hose. On this hose here, don't forget to install your tread tape. Also, we're gonna be using the swivel end of the hose going into the Coxreel, so that inside the Coxreel it doesn't bind up. So you will always want to use the swiveling end. You would want to wrap it like 3 times around your fitting. And just rip it off. So how this is gonna work is that with the swiveling end, we're gonna go inside the Coxreel right here. You just have to work the cable in here, and then then you have your wrench. So right now we're gonna hook up the cable to this guy here, hose clamp, and now we can start. There you go. That looks a lot better. You always want to keep it tight. After 10 years, man, got the hose all reeled up in the Coxreel. Oh, one big tip is to unravel the hose so that it doesn't bind up when you're rolling it up. So I had to so this is a 100-foot hose, and it went across the street and back. So sorry for the interruption, but as I was saying, so the hose reel went across the street, and yeah, I mean it was so hard to reel it in, put it in the Coxreel. So that's one big tip, to unravel the hose. Alright, so we have the Coxreel and the hose all hooked up. So now we just have to put thread tapes on all of our fittings here. I have a assorted of fittings just to meet with my setup. So let's go ahead and start us with this jumper holes here. You always want to apply just 3 to 4 rounds of your thread tape. So we got the outlet from the pressure washer on this end, going to this angle, and then going to this jumper hose down to the Coxreel. Then now for this guy, this is gonna be your hose fitting, right? Hose coming in here, and then it goes to this elbow, and then to this straight, to this nipple, and then goes right here, goes right there, and then right here, and then it goes to your swivel GHT garden hose outlet here, then going into your pressure washer. So this is how it's gonna work. As you can see, there's no rubber rubber O-ring, so I have to put thread tape on all of these, majority of these fittings here. So on this end we have O-ring that's gonna go into the pressure washer. So it's gonna be like this. I think I have all of the fittings, thread tape. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the pressure washer. So on this end it does have an O-ring here, so we're good to go on that one. Then I got this fitting here. And so on this end, swivel garden hose to 3/4. Okay. And this guy up. Get these elbows here. This is what we have so far. And the long nipple here. Okay. Just gonna tighten it down. The final piece here. Get this elbow. Very last fitting here. Alright, let's put it back all together. Turn on the pressure washer and see if there's any leaks. So this is how it's gonna look like, and hopefully everything works out, no leaking. So I got the non-swiveling end of this jumper hose onto the outlet of the pressure washer. So I got this end of the jumper hose onto the Coxreel here. Alright, let's go ahead and hook this up to the garden hose, hoping there's no leaks.